So Namoki have done something brand new that's never been done in the watch world. This is the first DIY chronograph kit that a mod retailer has ever released. I really like it. It's got a plexiglass crystal, a very slender 38mm case, little miniature pushers, and a gorgeous sunburst blue dial. They're not expensive either. For around €250, you can get yourself a full kit. You can get these in tri-compacts, Panda and Reverse Panda, or in this gorgeous blue yacht timer. Get yours now before the parts run out. Go to the Namoki website, use my code WMBI5 for a 5% discount. More importantly, strike now while the iron's hot. They launch on the 23rd of May, 2025.